Assalamualaikum dear kids. Today our book is Initiate English Pre-Primary 1. Now open the page number 3 and our unit 1 alphabet A. Alphabet A. Do you see the picture? This is artist. This is artist. This is artist. Artist, artist, artist. Now, the artist paint aeroplane. 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 This is aeroplane. 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 Now, ant. 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 Artist, aeroplane, ant. Artist, aeroplane, ant. 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 Artist, aeroplane and ant. The beginning sound is letter A, sound A. Letter A, sound A. Letter A, sound A. And it is letter A, sound A. Letter A, sound A. Letter A, sound A. A, artist. A, aeroplane. A, ant. A, artist. Sorry. A, artist. A, aeroplane. A, ant. A. Letter A, sound A. Letter A, sound A. A, artist. A, aeroplane. A, ant. Dear kids, now repeat after me. A, artist. A, aeroplane. A, ant. A, artist. A, aeroplane. A, ant. Dear kids, page number 3 is done. Now move on next page. Page number 4. Unit number 2. And our topic is alphabet B. Alphabet B. Now look at the picture. This is boy. This is a boy. This is a boy. This is a boy. 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 And boy are sleeping on the bed. On the bed. 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 Bird. 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 Boy, bat, bird. Boy, bat, bird. Dear kids, do you know what is the beginning sound of boy, bat, bird? B, 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 boy, b, bat, b, bird. B, boy, b, bat, b, bird. Yes, b, bird. And it is letter B, sound B. 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 Well done. Now kids, tell me, where is the boy? Where is the boy? Yes, boy. Now tell me, where is the bed? Where is the bed? Bed. Well done. Now the next, bird, bird, bird. Boy, bed, bird. Boy, bed, bird. Boy, 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 bed, bed, bird, bird, bird. Well done, kids. I hope you learned this lesson. Page number 4, alphabet B. Now move on next page. Page number 5, unit number 3, alphabet C. Alphabet C. Now look at the picture. Be carefully. And now this is cat. 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 Cat, cat, cat. This is car. This is car. This is car. Car, car, car. Baby cot. This is cot. This is cot. This is cot. Cot, cot, cot. Well done. Now kids, the beginning sound of cot, car, cat is k, k, k. Letter C, sound k. It is letter C, sound k. Letter C, sound k. K cot, k car, k cat. K cot, k car, k cat. Well done. Now kids tell me, where is the cat? Cat. Yes, cat, cat. Now tell me, where is the car? Yes, car, car, car. Where is the cot? Yes, cot, cot, cot. Now kids, repeat after me. K cot, k cat, k car, k car, k cot, k cat, k car. Letter C, sound k. Now the page number 5 is done. Move on page number 6. Page number 6, unit number 4, alphabet D. Alphabet D. Now look at the picture, be carefully. And now, this is duck. 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 This is deer. 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 This is dog. Dog, 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 duck, deer, dog, duck, deer, dog. Now kids, deer, duck, dog. Beginning sound is D. Letter D. Sound D. Letter D, sound D. Letter D, sound D. Letter D, sound D. It is letter D, sound D. D, dog. D, duck. D, deer. D, dog. D, duck. D, deer. Well done. Now kids, tell me, where is the duck? Duck. Yes, duck. Where is the dog? Yes, dog. And where is the deer? Yes, this one, deer. Well done. Now kids, the page number 6 is done. Now move on page number 7. And our activity is color the given letters and read them aloud. Color the given letters and read them aloud. Well done. Now, I have a red color. Cover the boundary area firstly. Well done. And read aloud. Letter A, sound A. 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 Well done. Now move on color left to right. Left to right. Left to right. Letter A, sound A. Letter A, sound A. Well done. Now the next letter is B. Letter B, sound B. Letter B, sound B. Now firstly, cover the boundary area with blue color. Well done. And read aloud. Letter B, sound B. 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 Well done. Now move on color left to right. Well done. Letter B, sound B is done with color blue. Now next letter is C, sound K. Now cover the boundary area with green color. Well done. Letter C, sound K. Letter C, sound K. Well done. Now move on color left to right. Well done. Letter C, sound K. Letter C, sound K. Letter C, sound K is done. Now next letter is letter D, sound D. Firstly cover the boundary area with purple color. Well done. Letter D, sound D. Letter D, sound D. Well done. Letter C, sound D. Well done. Now move on color left to right. Well done. And speak after me. Letter D, sound D. Letter D, sound D. Letter D, sound D. Letter D, sound D. Now, the page number 7, our activity is done. Now move on page number 8. Yes. And our second activity is match the given letters with the correct picture. Match the given letters with the correct picture. Very good. Now, आपने उन तस्वीरों के साथ लेटर्स को मैच करने हैं जो बिल्कुल करेक्ट पिक्चर हो. उन्होंने हमें एक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर बता दिया है. एरोप्लेन. एरोप्लेन. Now, a bat, a dog, Well done, artist. Now the second letter B, sound B. B, cat. B, duck. B, boy. Yes, B, boy. The correct picture is boy. Well done. B, bat. B, bat. Now the third letter is K. K, dog. K, car. Yes, K, car. K, duck. K, cat. Yes, K, cat. The last letter is letter D, sound D. D, dog. And D, duck. Well done, dear kids. Page number 8 is done. Now, the third activity is page number 9. Match the picture with the correct letter. Match the picture with correct letter. ये उन्होंने हमें तस्वीर दे रखी है और हमने इसकी फर्स्ट साउंड से मिलाना है लेटर्स को. तो एंड की फर्स्ट साउंड, एंड बिगनिंग साउंड इज ए. नाउ टेल मी, it is a, it is a, it is a, or it is a. Yes, ant. Well done. The second activity is color the pictures that began with letter B. उस तस्वीर में रंग भरना है जिसकी शुरू की आवाज ब है. Now, goat's first sound is B. No. Bird? Yes, B, bird. Now, I have a beautiful color, orange. And now, cover the boundary area with orange color. B, bird. B, bird. B, bird. B, bird. B, bird. Now, color on left to right. Well done. Now speak after me. B, bird. B, bird. B, bird. Well done. The page number 9 is done. Now move on page number 10. Page number 10. And our activity is match the given letter with the correct picture. Match the given letter with the correct picture. ये लेटर उन्होंने हमें दे दिया है. हमें अब देखना है कि करेक्ट पिक्चर कौन सी है जो लेटर C से बनती है. साउंड ख. ख, बैट. K, dog. K, car. Yes, K, car. Well done. Now the second activity is tick the correct letter of the picture and color the picture. Correct letter जो है उसको हमने टिक करना है जिसकी बिगनिंग, जैसे डियर की बिगनिंग साउंड जो है वो ड है, तो हमने लेटर ड को ढूंढना है और फिर कलर भी करने हैं इस तस्वीर में जी। नाउ द deer beginning sound is D. This one is letter D. Letter D, no. Letter D, no. It is letter D. Yes, letter D. Well done. Firstly, I will match and also tick. Yes. Now, the second work is coloring. Firstly, cover the boundary area. Be careful. Deer. Deer. Letter D sound D. 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 Now move one color left to right. Well done. Letter D sound D. Letter D sound D. Well done. The page number 10 is done. Now move on next page. The next page is page number 11, unit number 5, alphabet E sound A. E sound A. Now look at the picture. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Egg, 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 egg. Now, eagle. This is an eagle. Eagle, 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 eagle. Elephant, egg, eagle. Elephant, egg, eagle. Elephant, egg, eagle. Well done. Now the beginning sound elephant, egg and eagle is e. Now the beginning sound elephant, egg, eagle, letter E sound and it is letter E sound letter E sound letter E sound letter E sound Now, kids, tell me, where is the elephant? Where is an elephant? Where is an elephant? This one. Well done. Now tell me, where is an egg? This one. Well done. Now tell me, where is an eagle? Yes. Now, kids, repeat after me. Letter E, sound E. Eagle, E. Elephant, E. Egg. E, eagle, E. Elephant, E. Egg. Well done. Now the page number 11 is done. Now move on page number 12. Now our unit number is 6. Alphabet F. Alphabet F. Alphabet F. Yes. Look at the picture. This is fairy. This is fairy. This is fairy. This is fairy. This is flower. This is flower. This is flower. This is flower. Fairy, flower. Fairy, flower. Fairy, flower. Frog. 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 Now kids, tell me. The fairy's beginning sound is f. And flower beginning sound f. Frog beginning sound is f. Well done. Now letter F. It is letter F. It is letter F. It is letter F. Sound f. Letter F. Sound f. Letter F. Sound f. Letter F. Sound f. Well done. Now repeat after me. F. Fairy. F. Flower. F. Frog. F. Fairy. F. Flower. F. Frog. Now tell me, where is the fairy? Well done. Fairy. Now tell me, where is the flower? Yes. Flower. And where is the frog? Yes. This one is frog. Now repeat after me. With letter F, sound F. F. Frog. F. Frog. F. Fairy. F. Fairy. F. Flower. F. Flower. F. Flower. Well done. Now kids, I hope you enjoy page number 12. Now our book is Initiate English Pre-Primary 1. I hope you enjoy this book. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।